Honestly, actually in our house, my mom hides the cheese, the Eden cheese. That cheese, it's gone. If I see it, it's gone.
You have the same problem with my kuya. He's a cheese addict.
I have so many addictions.
Di na bumibili si mama ng cheese on the day na siya mag-buy.
Yes, exactly. That's what my mom does too. Especially if my mom buys. I remember, oh my gosh, I feel so bad because my mom bought like a block of mozzarella. Cause like we were
Mozzarella?
going to save, yeah,
The
mozzarella,
only cheese
and we
I
were going,
accept.
yeah, and it's like it's really mahal. It's super expensive,
Wait, how did you
and
eat
we,
it?
I just ate it. Like
Mozzarella
I
is
took
like,
like
di ba
I cut it.
mozzarella is like a rubber if di mo niluto?
Yeah, yeah,
Then
and
you
I
eat
love
the
it.
rubber mozzarella cheese?
Yeah, yes,
Oh my god, you're
without
rare.
heating it or melting it. Yeah, I just eat it. Girl, you don't understand. Like my mom, she was saving it to make lasagna, right?
Oh, that's
For like a
good.
party. And then with the next day she found that the block of cheese was already only half na lang. And then she was like, "Okay, Kat, I know you like cheese." I was like, "I'm sorry. It's so yummy." Honestly, that's why my Christmas